English, there are two types of nouns based on their number: countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are the nouns we can count, like chairs, dogs, pencils. These nouns can be singular, a chair, or plural, chairs. With these nouns, we can use the indefinite article and the definite article, a girl, the boy, etc. But we can also use different quantifiers like some, any, many, how many, a lot of, or a few. Yes, no questions. Are there any chairs? How many chairs are there? Affirmative. There are some chairs. There are a few chairs. There are a lot of chairs. There are too many chairs. Negative. There aren't any chairs. There aren't many chairs. There are no chairs. Uncountable nouns refer to the thing we can't count, like sugar, money, or coffee. They are also always in singular. Chocolate makes everyone happy. They can be used with the definite article and many quantifiers like some, any, much, too much, how much, a lot of, a little, etc. Yes, no questions. Is there any coffee? How much coffee is there? Affirmative. There is some coffee. There is a little coffee. There is a lot of coffee. There is too much coffee. Negative. There isn't any coffee. There isn't much coffee. There is no coffee.